Welcome to TriPoint Report. Your trusted source for U.S. immigration news, policy updates, and visa insights. Currently, over 97,000 Indian students are on optional practical training, OPT, in the United States. However, a newly proposed bill could bring this program to an abrupt end, eliminating their legal right to work and forcing many to leave the country right after graduation. A new legislative proposal introduced in the U.S. Congress is causing significant uncertainty for international students. This bill seeks to end the OPT program, a long-standing pathway that allows F-1 visa holders to gain work experience in their field of study. While still under review, the bill's potential impact is serious and far-reaching. It was introduced by members of Congress aligned with a broader immigration reform agenda and, if enacted, would terminate OPT immediately. Although the proposal has not yet become law, it is gaining traction amid renewed Republican influence in both chambers of Congress. The OPT program is crucial for international students in the U.S., offering them the opportunity to apply their academic learning in real-world settings. It includes a standard 12-month post-graduation work authorization with an additional 24-month STEM extension for graduates in science, technology, engineering, or mathematics. For many, it acts as a stepping stone to longer-term visas like the H-1B. The program is highly popular among students from India and China and is valued by U.S. employers, especially in tech and research fields, for providing a skilled talent pipeline without immediate sponsorship obligations. According to the latest Open Doors 2024 report, Indian nationals now form the largest population of international students in the U.S., surpassing China. In the 2023-24 academic year, the total number of Indian students reached 331,162, a 23% increase from the previous year. Of those, more than 97,000 are currently on OPT, marking a 41% growth. For these students, OPT is not just a benefit, it's a lifeline. Its elimination would seriously disrupt their educational investments and future career plans. Legal and academic communities are voicing growing concern. Immigration attorney Purvi Kothari from Lease Law warns that if the bill passes, it could take effect immediately, leaving thousands of graduates without legal status overnight. Prominent universities including Yale, Columbia, and Cornell are advising students to avoid international travel, citing the risk of re-entry denials. Legal experts recommend that students currently on OPT seek H-1B sponsorship as early as possible, explore alternative countries like Canada, the UK, or Australia, and begin preparing financially, especially those carrying student debt. The uncertainty surrounding this proposed legislation is already affecting student behavior. If the bill passes, the U.S. could become less attractive for international talent. Other countries are already adjusting their policies to be more welcoming. The UK, for example, now offers 2 years of post-study work rights for undergraduates and master's students and 3 years for PhDs. Canada and Australia have also enhanced their post-study opportunities. In contrast, the U.S. may be seen as moving in the opposite direction, becoming more restrictive just as global competition for talent increases. This bill is part of a broader immigration agenda reminiscent of the Trump administration, which included proposals such as mass deportations, ending birthright citizenship, reducing legal immigration, and tightening student and work visa policies. While previous efforts to limit OPT have failed, current Republican control in Congress raises the possibility of actual